Alright guys, this is also a new crypto exchange wallet called Pizza X. So I'm going to teach you how to get the process. When you sign up, you are going to get $2,000+ for only the sign up, and each person that you refer, you are going to get $400. Alright, so watch the process very well. Those on YouTube, check in the description box, you will get the airdrop referral link. So tap on the airdrop referral. Alright, so after you have opened the referral link, when you tap on it, it will bring you to a website like this. So you have to go to sign up with a phone or email. So when you tap on it, so you can choose to use the phone. So when you choose phone, you search for your countries. So Ghana is GH. Alright, so then you go to search. Alright, so this is Ghana +233. Then you enter your number here, then you go ahead, but I'm going to use email. Alright, so email is dice. Alright, so then you set in the password 0. Create your own password. Go to get verification code, tap on it. The verification code has been sent to dicecrypto@gmail.com. Please check carefully. Then you go to OK. Then sometimes you'll be getting your pop-up at top here. So mine has come, so I'm going to tap there and copy the verification code. Alright, so this is it. So this is your verification code. So you copy the verification code. After you copy, you come here and paste the verification code. So you paste, then you go down, then you tap on the sign up, the yellow button there. Alright, so sign up. It says successfully signed up, so you have to go to OK. Okay, after you go to OK, it will come like this. So the next thing that you have to do is to go to when you go to download, it will bring you here. So it will bring you to a menu like this. Alright, so it will ask you to download anyway. You go to download anyway. So it is downloading. So after it finishes downloading, alright, so when it finishes downloading, the pop-up will come like this. Then you go to open. You can, after it finish, you can go to your file manager and install it. So you go to install. Okay, so after the installation, it will tell you app installed. Then you go to open. So when you open, this is how the app is going to display on your screen. So you see Pizza X. So right now the app is opened for now. Go to the left top corner, the symbol that looks like fan. Go there, then go to sign in, log in or register. So when you go to log in or register, then you enter the email. If you use mobile, then you pick the mobile. So there's it. So when you use the mobile in doing the registration, you pick the mobile. When you use the email, you also enter your email that you used in the registration. You enter the password that you used in the registration. So alright, so you go to the login. It says set up security password. So you can, security password looks something like this. So I'm giving you an example. So 1 2 1 2 1 2. It should be 6 digits. Then you can add the CH or any letters that you want. Then you add it, but one should be capital and one should be small. So you have to confirm 1 2 1 2 1 2. CH, then you submit. Please make sure the code that you are entering will stick in your head, or write it somewhere. We have security password, then we have the login password. All right, so in the security password, we will be using it later when they open the coin and you want to swap and trade and all those stuff. That's the security password. Because for the login password, someone can log into your account, but when the person is not having the security password, the person can't transfer any money from your account. All right, so right now we will be going to fund. So when you go to fund, the one that looks like PES, so you can see that the money is credited into your account. This is it. You get $2028 already. So as the Super X is having their coin as ET, these people are also having their coin as CD. So they are also having their coin. We have a lot of exchange wallet which has their own coin. We have Bybit has its own coin. We have the Gate.io coin is called GT. So I'm going to teach you where you get your referral link. The next thing is to teach you where to get your referral link. So you go to the home button, then you go to the symbol at the left top corner that looks like fun. Then you go to referral reward. So when you go to referral reward, it will open where the referral link is. You see, people are claiming. Look at where the emails are and look at the amount that they are claiming. So the more you refer, the more you are being credited. So the new users are getting the 1 million, and the referrals people are also getting the 200,000 CD. All right, so where to get your referral link is here. This is the invitation link. It's also called the referral link. So you just copy the referral link and send to the person to register. Don't worry to copy the invitation code. Just use the referral link. You just tap here and it will copy. Tap on so it will copy everything. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. If you don't understand anything, or if you appreciate what we are doing, kindly comment below. Also keep in mind that airdrop are 100% free. Don't pay any fee or any penny for any airdrop. Also kindly do your own research before joining any airdrop project. Lastly, keep in mind that not every airdrop project will succeed. Thank you.